What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another fantastic cooking video I'm going to do. Today I'm going to show you how to make home fries. Now, as many of you know, there are a lot of major differences between different types of potatoes. This time I'm going to show you how to make home fries. So let's go over what we need. So to make home fries, you're going to need obviously some potatoes, but you're also going to need some canola oil. You'll also need some garlic and onions, as well as salt and pepper to taste. And some things to note: if you are making this for somebody who does not like onions because of the texture or consistency, is to use onion powder. Just something to note. Anyway, let's get started. So first things first, you're going to take your potatoes and you're going to rinse them. Then next you're going to cut these potatoes up into little cubes. So these are how the potatoes should look like once you cut them. Gotta remember to cut them into cubes. Now I'm going to take you over to the gas range and show you what you got to do next. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour 3 tablespoons of canola oil into a deep dish of frying, into a deep frying pan, and you're going to turn the burner on. You're going to set it to medium heat. And make sure you spread it around so it'll evenly boil. All right, and then you're gonna take your potatoes and you're gonna dump them all into the skillet. Make sure you stir the potatoes to coat them entirely in oil. After you've stirred up the potatoes, you're going to season it with salt and pepper. And with all of your designated seasonings. In addition, you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of onion powder and a quarter of a teaspoon of granulated garlic. Alright, so now you're going to let this cook for... So you're going to cover it with a lid and stir everything together and cook with a lid for 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes has passed! Holy! And this is actually looking pretty good. Just crossing my fingers I didn't burn this. Now for the next part, you need to cook and stir for 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes have passed. I turned off the burner, so I'm going to scoop some of the fries out into a bowl, and I'm going to take it to the table and I'm going to sample some fry, and I'm going to sample it. Okay, so the final product should a little bit look like this, except maybe a little less blackened because I sort of burned them, but at least they should come out pretty good. I'm going to sample one. Oh, and when you're frying food, you might want to be careful because you're going to burn yourself if you're not careful. These are really good. So that's how to make home fries. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.